Hello and welcome to Pocket Sized Animation Studio. For this workshop, you will need to use Stop Motion Studio, which is a free app that you can download onto Android and iPhones. When you open up this app, you will be presented with this screen. In the top left corner, you will see a gray rectangle with a white plus sign in the middle that says New Movie. Press that to activate the camera and to set up the project for shooting your animation. The first thing that you need to do is click this cogwheel, which will bring up your setting options. The first icon on the left will allow you to set the frame rate of your movie. Normally you would set it to 24 frames per second, but that does mean that you will need to take 24 shots for every second of your animation. To make it a little easier, you can set this at 12 frames, and this makes the animation process a little faster. Then go to the third icon. This is the aspect ratio of your movie. What you want to do is set it to default. Go to the sixth icon, select the HD option, and click Done. Click on the camera button on the right side of the screen, and this will give you the live feed through the camera, and you can see what you will be going to shoot. At the bottom right, you will see this icon with 3 lines. If you click here, you can set the camera functions. Click on the letter M and it will give you focus options. Choose AL. We will move to the middle button, the sun icon. You can use the slider to adjust brightness here. I think this looks okay, so I'll click the Done button again. Now to the left of the screen, you will see another slider. Using this slider, you can set the transparency level of your frames, so you can see through to the frame that you have already shot. In animation, this is called onion skinning. So to demonstrate, I've taken a shot and now I've moved this a little bit so you can see the previous image. Somewhere in the middle is usually the best. Now let's try some very simple animation. I'm going to do a simple bouncing ball. I'll move this plasticine ball from the left of the screen, shooting each frame using the red button after I've moved it. The arrowhead on the top right will take you back to the previous page where you can see all of the frames you have shot. You can also press the play button to see what you have done. Here you will be able to view your individual frames and scrub through the timeline. If you have a frame that you don't need, tap on that frame and that'll open up a menu. This menu has lots of options, but for now, we will only use the delete option. If you click the trash can icon, you can delete frames that you don't need. When you are happy with your animation, you can just click the back button on the top left and that'll take you back to the screen that you began with. You will see that your animation has been saved here. Select your animation, choose Export Movie, and send your movie to yourself through email or WhatsApp or any of the other given options that you like.